Hope you're having a great day. Scott and I and the family are down on a local creek that we've come to a few other times that the kids really enjoy playing. Today it's absolutely gorgeous outside. The weather is perfect for me. It's the high, I think it's only going to be
73.
73
today. It's going to be beautiful.
And honestly, I'm shocked the kids haven't been complaining too much because the creek is freezing. The low was 50s.
53 last night.
So it's definitely cool outside. But so far they're having a great time.
It's a beautiful day. I can't say enough about it. We're down here on this creek. Like Kara said, it's a creek we've
Sorry. I'm picking at him, trying to make him laugh.
Anyways, we're gonna sit here and catch some crawdads today. There's some big crawdads in this creek. We've been here before a couple times and we've caught some big crawfish. Have not caught any fish out of here, but there's tons of little bait fish swimming up to the top that we've seen.
Yeah, this is the first time we've actually brought fishing poles here.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure what the fishing's like, but it's definitely a spot that they enjoy just coming to hang out, and we love it. It's peaceful, it's not crowded, and it's just a good fun family day. So come along with us and let's enjoy this time together.
What's wrong?
It's cold.
How cold is it?
Really cold.
I think you should put your snorkel mask on and go diving.
Nope.
Nope.
Why not?
It's too cold.
Do you see anything?
Cat one crawdad.
You caught just one crawdad so far? That was a big crawdad that you caught. There was a fish, a little bitty fish that was hanging around like right here. I don't know if he's still here or not.
Hard time walking.
There. See, that's why we got to be careful.
See, and that is why you wear good protective shoes when you're in the river and the creek.
That would hurt really bad.
Yep.
Yeah, people throw all kinds of stuff, and
Like they.
you know, and not just that, you know, people fish, so when hooks come off, they're on the bottom and
They help me
you tear your feet up.
I remember a hard time walking. Like Peter walks better. Like I can't play something like it over there. I don't know how to walk where Jacob's going. He's more older and taller.
Hey, Emmeline. You having fun?
Yeah, but Jacob's walking more far. I can't go.
Yeah, it's okay.
Actually, when I was in the little side, I actually fell down and got my whole self wet.
And let me see your,
Cold.
let me see this.
It's pretty chilly out, isn't it?
Hi, baby pocket.
Let me see.
He's a little one. Today's a nice day.
It is a nice day. It's beautiful out.
Here you go, man.
Do you got anything?
Nope, I was trying to catch a minnow, but he's too fast for me.
I keep trying to
yeah,
catch
you
them
got you
up
one.
here.
Here, go over and show Mama. So muddy now I can't even see.
I don't know what these shells are. These shells look like crawdad
It's a
shells.
pretty little shell.
I keep finding
I don't know if you guys can see it or not. little shell you
They're
usually see at the beach.
They're everywhere on rocks. And every time I try to, I can see that he just got.
You stole Daddy's chair, didn't you?
Hey, Jacob, here's one right here.
What is it?
Crawdad.
Can I catch it?
Right here in this hole.
Emmy, don't put this net.
Yeah, put your net down there. Turn it around. There you go. Oh, just got away.
Is he in there still?
Nope. He was in here.
You know what you should do, Jacob? Since this is like a cool little spot, you could build it up, put some rocks right there so he can't get out, and then all the little things you find you can stick in there, and then you can let him out before we leave.
Nothing. I just gonna make that.
So Jacob's making a little spot where he can put his
Stuff.
crawfish in. There you go.
Boom, I got it.
Is it a big one? Can I show Mommy?
Stop, Jacob, stop.
I want to eat it. We catch a baby perch.
That's alright. This is the smallest perch I've ever seen.
Oh, he's so tiny. I don't know. I hope y'all can see it. It is the cutest little thing.
It's like the size of your fingernail, he's so small.
I know.
Alright, I'm gonna get him back.
Alright, get back in the water, yeah.
That is a perch.
That was cute.
And they're just laying right here on this bank. They're just taking that net and going up. Been able to catch quite a few crawfish doing that too. You gotta take your time.
Has he got it for me? It's mine. Definitely. I catched
Let me
it.
see.
I got an idea.
Yeah, he's a big one. Let's put him in our little
House thing. Oh, he's trying to get out.
let's see if he can get out. Oh, there he goes. He said, I'm out of here. Taking a little lunch break. What are you having for lunch?
Salad.
Is it good?
It tastes really good because of the sauce. The sweet onion.
Sweet Vidalia onion.
Yeah.
Colin said he's done caught a fish, but he never did reel it totally in, so. Did the water get any warmer up here? Jacob, have you had any bites?
Oh, get one right now. Oh, look. These fish have teeth. It is putting holes in them. Here. Like it is, they are tearing it
Yep.
up.
Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna show Colin how it's done. Oh, that water's so cold.
What? I already know how it's
Here, let me see.
Ow. Ow. Ow.
Colin has decided to hook himself. Here, let me cast it just once.
It's right here.
I-
Right here. Literally, like right at her feet. Watch. You know they're going to get a bite.
Colin's saying they're right between them. Sure it ain't a crawfish down there biting on your worm?
They're right above it.
Yeah, there's a bunch of it's a bunch of minnows.
There's big ones.
Any more bites, Jacob? I actually had a really good bite just a second ago. Oh. Colin, you need to go eat, buddy.
Jacob, I think you need to learn.
Look. There he is. I got him that time.
Yeah. You got one?
I finally got that fish. It's a red eye.
What? I didn't know red eye was.
We have finally caught a red eye.
What? A red eye.
That is a good size red eye for in here.
Can I see it? That's creepy. Right?
Show the camera one last time. Let's get him back in the water. Red eye. All right.
That's why. That's how they got their name.
That's right.
Big old red eyes.
All right, get him back in the water.
And
Oh,
he gone.
he's gone.
He gone.
He caught a brook trout.
What? Jacob! A pretty little trout.
Jacob caught a natural brook trout. These are not stocked in these waters.
Good job. Let's get back in water, okay?
Can I
Yeah,
hold
let's
him?
get him back in the water.
You first said brook
Whoop.
trout.
Well, he went back in the water.
There he went. Jacob, that was
an awesome catch,
high
man.
five, dude. That was massive.
Go look back over
Wow.
there. Jay, do you want to go look at the
That's
cave?
amazing to sit there and catch a trout that's not only natural in these waters, but these aren't stocked fish. So
Go see the cave and go up there.
that's a huge sign to see that trout are in these waters naturally. So that's absolutely amazing. Good job, Jacob.
And on his own.
And on his own, like no help. He was casting. He stayed persistent with it.
Putting his own worm on, and
Wow,
that was awesome.
That's amazing.
I'm honestly surprised just because the kids walking around and splashing.
Yeah, I know. I never would have thought.
I
Just like so blown away that he just caught that. I mean, that's just.
But I really wonder if it's because this
water
such a cold creek. This is nothing compared to
Nothing compared to
the river.
Before.
Yeah,
I
like
mean,
that was warm.
That's extremely warm water, and you know, with this here shade, you know, on that side too, that water's probably even colder. It's a consistent flow. You got these big rocks, you know. So I mean, and there's plenty of cover for them too. You can't see it in the video, but there's like 2 or 3 big rocks out there that have like little undercuts in them. And Jacob's been fishing like that in that area. And I think he cast it over next to it, and he actually got, that trout was so smart. He took his bait and ran underneath that rock. And Jacob's like, I'm hung up, but I think I got a fish. And he kept working it and kept working it, and ended up getting the fish out from underneath the rock without harming him. So
good job, Jacob.
Jacob, dude, that's the first brook trout I've seen in here.
Oh, you had something.
Jacob's on it now.
What I found, guys, look at the size of that crawdad claw. Now that was a big one. Oh God, there he goes. Got it. I keep falling over here. Hey Dad, look what I caught. Oh.
All
right, guys.
I'll let you go.
You go ahead.
Okay. All right, guys. We want to talk about something special, and that is...
And exciting.
And exciting. Yeah. You know, we get out here and we do lots of fun things. Y'all have seen that in our video so far. And
it's something we're passionate about with our family as
absolutely.
Well. It's getting them outside and the kids having those memories to grow up with.
And that's the thing. We were even doing that before we even had our family. When we were dating, we were doing that. So it's one of those things where we want to see you and your family get out there and try to do the same. So we're going to be doing a giveaway of a magnet fishing kit. I think that it's a lot of fun.
And it's great for adults that want to get out there and have a great time, or it's good for the kids that they can explore and see what little treasures they can find.
So the way to enter for the giveaway is you need to comment on the video and subscribe to the video. When we get to 1,000 subscribers, then we will randomly draw that person and get in touch with you to get your information to send you the magnet fishing kit. That way y'all can go out and have your own adventures and enjoy the outdoors like we do.
That's right. So we will keep this contest going until we hit our 1,000 subscribers, and then we will hopefully get to see somebody enjoying the time like we get to enjoy. We're new, and we hope that, you know, having a channel out there that's family friendly and just encouraging others to get outdoors, not just watch our channel and then live through us, but get outdoors and have a good time. Make these memories with your family.
All right, guys, thank y'all for joining us on this video. If you liked it, please click subscribe, share it with your friends and family, and we would love to do more videos like this. So thank you for joining us today, and
we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, they're saying bye to you. Here, let me turn it around. All right, guys.
Bye.
All right, y'all. See you next time. Have a great week.